Shit, look at the sky, dude. It's nighttime. This shit is going crazy. What the fuck is this? Yo, what's wrong with the sky? Yo, what's going on with the sky, dude? Yo, some weird ass shit going on with the sky, son. This shit is crazy. Like, what the fuck is going on? Oh no. Cause this the end of the world. Mad bright, the sky is tweaking.
Listen, but there's probably something going on this way because
I know, it gotta be. It ain't like that all the way around.
All the way over here.
I know. It gotta be.
Over here like that.
It's dark over there, and it's dark over there. You right? That's something like firework or something. I don't know what that is. That shit turning day though. That shit turning day outside. That's crazy, son.
But that shit is kind of crazy though.
That's crazy. That's weird, son. That's weird. I keep recording this shit.
That might be good. He might be coming. That he's coming.
I'm gonna keep recording this shit just in case this shit blow up or something. See that shit?
The clouds are changing like that. Oh no. It might be a tornado coming. Oh no.
This shit is weird, son. I'm about to go this way and see what it is. That shit crazy. I don't know what it is. Might be these Caribbeans and these Orientals and all them races bringing all their shit over here. Bringing voodoo over here. This shit is crazy. The whole sky is lit up. Hold on. I'm trying to see what it is.
Sky a different color?
Yeah, it's turning blue and all that. We gotta see what this is, man. We gotta see what's going on. Then the shit just went dark. Damn. Oh, shit. That shit just went dark. That's some creepy ass shit. This shit creepy, man.